Bonjour, mes étudiants. Welcome back to my French YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video and another letter that might help you for your board exams in class 10. So let's begin with this letter. Vous avez lu récemment un roman intéressant. So this is about a novel that you have read recently. Écrivez une lettre à votre ami en racontant l'histoire. So you have to write a letter to your friend while telling the story of the novel. So let's begin. I hope by this time you're clear with the format of the letter. We have already discussed in many of the letters. You can go back and check that playlist of the letters, okay? So how do we start the letter? We can take any starting. Cher Mark, comment vas-tu? Je vais bien ici. I'm fine here. How are you? Ça fait longtemps que je ne t'ai pas écrit. It's been long time that I have not written you. Okay, this T apostrophe is a pronoun. I have not written to you. Mes examens ont fini. My exams are finished. Et pendant les vacances, j'ai lu un roman intéressant. And during the vacation, I read an interesting novel. Please ensure that you are just stopping this video in between and bringing your notebook and writing this letter along with me. That's going to really help you a lot. Okay, do not be just a passive listener. Just listening to this video won't help. You can pause this video, see it at your own pace, and keep writing the words that I'm discussing in this video. So second paragraph of the letter is all about the topic, like I told you last time also. So it's about a novel. You can pick up any novel, okay? So here I've taken Le Roman s'appelle. The novel name is Two States. Okay, that's a movie as well. Qui est écrit par Chetan Bhagat, which is written by Chetan Bhagat. Un jeune écrivain indien. Un jeune, he's a young Indian writer. Le roman s'agit. S'agit de means about. The novel is about his life. Il y a un garçon et une fille qui sont venus de différents endroits de l'Inde. Okay, so the novel is about, wherever you want to write about, you can write s'agit de. Novel is about his life. There is a boy and a girl, ils sont venus, who came from different places. Endroit is places. Different places from India for studying in IIM Ahmedabad. Le garçon s'appelle Krish. The boy's name is Krish. Qui est du Punjab, okay? Who is from Punjab. Et la fille s'appelle Ananya. And the girl name is Ananya. Qui est du Tamil Nadu, who is from Tamil Nadu. Il y rencontre. E is referring to Tamil Nadu. I told you this last time as well. The more personal pronouns you use in your creative writing, the better it is. Okay, so please ensure that you know the topic of personal pronoun. That's going to help you make this creative writing really good. They meet there and become good friends. Ils étudient, they study, et passent beaucoup de temps ensemble, and pass a lot of time together. À la fin, à la fin again is a word that you can use anywhere. Okay, at the end, d'études, at the end of the studies, la fille est nommée comme la meilleure fille de IIM. Okay, so the girl is known as the best student of IIM. De temps en temps, again, these are the expressions. The more expressions you use, the better it is. Okay, from time to time, il commence à s'amuser. They start to enjoy if they see the chercher l'emploi. They decide to search the job. Okay, one verb is already conjugated. Next verb, when you conjugate after preposition, it's always in the infinitive form. These small grammatical rules, when you know, you'll be able to write better. They start to enjoy and decide to search the job. Finalement, see, again, one word for you. Finalement, ils ont décidé de se marier. They decide to get married. Et de convaincre leurs parents and convince their parents pour ça. Okay, you can even write pour cela, that is also fine. Et puis, ils continuent. And then they continue. Écris-moi. Then I told you last time as well, okay? Whenever you write a letter, always there should be 3 paragraphs while writing a letter. First is an opening paragraph. In between, middle is a paragraph where you explain, where you talk about the topic. And the third paragraph is the closing paragraph. In the closing paragraph, you can ask your friend a question related to the same topic, like I've asked here. Écris-moi aussi des romans. Write me also about a novel que tu as lu récemment, that you have read recently. So I'm asking about the same topic. Sometimes it is not possible to ask the question related to the same topic. So in that case, you can finish by asking, how are your parents? Do let me know when will you come to my place. So these kind of endings that you can use. Okay, don mes salutations à tes parents. Give my greetings to your parents. Lot of hugs and then the name. You can even write XYZ. Okay, the more you write it yourself, keep writing along with me in this video, you will be able to retain the words for a longer period of time. Okay, do not just keep watching the videos. Whichever video you watch, please ensure that you're maintaining a practice notebook and practicing in that. Okay, so this was one of the letter which is important for your class 10 board exam. Next week, I'm going to see you with another video. And if you want me to make a video on any topic, please feel free to put it down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help. Bonne chance, keep learning. Au revoir.